I'm really happy with the results so far. My journey has been about 3 months, wherein I come in to treat my concerns, which is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, the acne scarring that I have. I used to have a lot of breakouts. All of that is normalized right now based off the diet plan that Lorena gave me, the kind of skincare that I've been doing, plus the maintenance peels that I do on a regular basis. So I'm very happy with the results so far. You can see my before and after pictures from like 3 months ago to where it's come to right now. I'm happy for you to share them. For me, I've had a very difficult journey with my skin, which can't be fixed just superficially. So they took the time out to give me a nutrition plan as to what I'm supposed to eat to fix the problem from the inside out and not just superficially. So that was the second part of it. So month one entirely was telling me what to eat, what not to do, how to fix my skin routine. And then we moved on to the superficial part with the maintenance peels and what can be done to get my skin to improve. I'm the anxious sort. In case I have a bit of redness or irritation after my treatment, I have Lorena's phone number and I can reach out to her at any point and she'd be happy to get on a call with me and assuage me and my fears. So I think it's the personalized approach and the lengths they're willing to go to make the customer happy. So for people like me with very problematic skin, which is not just because of external factors, it's because of your hormones and all of these other factors too. The journey is longer. It's not what you see on an ad where they say get one peel done, it gets fixed. It's not as simple as that. So I would say for anyone looking to fix their skin, get into the right headspace and definitely come to Royal Wharf Clinic because no one's going to take care of you like they do.